Kung ikaw yung listener o laging sumasalo ng emosyon ng iba, teacher ka man, helper, or the strong one ng inyong grupo or pamilya, may gusto kong i-share sa na approach or framework that can help you support others without burning out yourself. Over the years of working with schools, organizations, and fellow heart-centered professionals and helpers, na-realize ko na hindi sapat yung advice lang. Hindi sapat yung puro pa activities. Hindi sapat yung hinahayaan mo yung sarili mo na maging tapunan at ma-burn out sa pag-create ng safe space para sa ibang tao. I realized that people need something more integrated. If you're new to my online space, my name is Clay. Hello. And I'm currently taking my master's degree in psychology and I'm working as a guidance associate and program officer sa isang family farm school dito sa Oriental, Mindoro. I support educators, helpers, and communities in creating a safe and sacred space where people feel safe, supported, and seen. And this is where I created my approach called the 4 glimmers of holistic care. Bakit glimmers? Bakit holistic care? Simple lang. Kasi we want things to be very intentional. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you the 4 glimmers that help me become a better facilitator in creating a safe and sacred space for my clients. The first one is spirituality. This is about a grounded spirituality. When we help people reconnect with the divine essence of God within themselves, kahit na maraming challenges na dumating sa kanilang buhay, they know na kaya nitong lagpasan. Hindi ito yung ini-impose natin sa ating mga kasama. Ito yung deep, relational, and raw relationship with the divine God. The second one is called safety. When people feel safe, when people feel that they are in a space where they are not judged, where they are not forced, they are allowed to feel whatever they feel, that is a very potent space where healing can happen. Kasi maraming times, may gusto tayong sabihin agad, may gusto tayong gawin, may gusto agad tayong patunayan para dun sa ating kliyente. But really, sometimes what they need is a sense of safety. And then the third one is social support. Ito yung safe and sacred space na kung saan marirealize nila na hindi sila nag-iisa sa kanilang journey. May mga taong pwedeng umalalay sa kanila. Pero yung form ng pag-alalay, nakadepende syempre sa sitwasyon at sa mga circumstances. And the fourth one is self-compassion. This is an internal space where people can really release the harsh judgment that they have for themselves. They learn to be more kinder sa kanilang sarili. They learn to really extend compassion. Hindi lang sa iba, kundi para rin sa kanilang sarili. So when my sessions are being held, I really make sure na itong 4 na ito ay present because this is important in grounding, emotional safety, connection, and gentle inner healing. Ito yung spirituality, safety, social support, and self-compassion. I use this approach when I work with schools, teachers, students, LGUs, organizations, and fellow helpers, especially for those who are always holding space for others and supporting others. And sometimes we quietly carry a lot of things kasi kumbaga nasanay tayo na, I can process this on my own. And here on my space, I'll be sharing simple tools that you can use in real-life situations, facilitation insights, grounded experience, and guided practices, and some of the behind the scenes on how I hold space for other people. So if you want better support for others without losing yourself in the process, welcome. Follow along in my journey. This is a space where you can really be vulnerable and be your most authentic self without being judged. Because remember that you don't have to do everything all at once and you don't have to do everything alone. Kasi kahit isang glimmer lang yan for today, that's already enough. That is really important. And I want you to know that I am here with you. I love to journey with my fellow safe space holders who are really looking for a holistic care na pwede nilang i-provide sa kanilang mga family members or even sa kanilang mga co-teachers or co-employees. Kasi naniniwala ako na tayong mga tao, hindi lang tayo physical body. We are also composed of mental, emotional, and spiritual body. So when we take care of ourselves in a holistic way, holistic care, maraming pwedeng mag-shift sa ating buhay. Because sometimes we're just one step away in realizing our fullest potential. But there are, some things that are hindering us para abutin iyon. At ang nakakatuwa doon sa 4 glimmers of holistic care, sa mga susunod na video, iisa-isahin natin siya. Ano yung mga pwede ninyong tools that promotes spirituality, yung deeper connection with God. Ano yung mga tools na pwedeng makatulong in cultivating self-compassion. And ano yung mga tools that can really help you make your client feel safe in their journey, make them feel grounded in exploring the inner landscape of their self, of their life, no? And even kapag may mga challenging situations, and of course, the social support, no? How can we provide support to others without burning ourselves out, diba? Without, losing ourselves in the process, and really empowering our clients na hindi sila nakadepende sa atin. Na at the end of the day, they feel empowered, they feel strong, they feel confident in harapin ang kanilang mga challenges sa buhay. So, yeah, thank you so much for listening. If there's one thing na nag-resonate sa'yo sa video na ito, feel free to share and comment down below ano yung naka-resonate sa'yo. Or maybe you have a question that you would like me to answer on the upcoming videos. Feel free to share it. And thank you so much for listening. If this video resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for listening. Always remember, God loves you. Mwah.